There we go. Welcome back to Womanby St. This is technically part 3, but this is the finished build of the moon. So yeah, welcome back. The previous one was the finished build of fuel and like a little update of the street. I have done some building stuff. I've built Tiny Rebel, City Arms, you can see in the background, and Speed Car Park, but that I'll want to do a significant amount before I do an update. And after this, hopefully the next video to go up will be Club. So first of all, thank you so much to everybody who saw the video of fuel. Thank you so much to everybody. It was so much fun building it. It was so much fun reliving the tales, the various nights out, various crazy times that have happened there. And it was really nice seeing everybody talking about their memories, wishing they could go, you know. It was really nice, especially in this time, to be reminded of when it was safe enough to go out, you know, and go and have gigs and stuff. So yeah, thank you so much everybody. Thanks so much for the tips, little things like how to build, or like little things that I should be building, like, or experimenting with. All your feedback is super amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I love that it's for some people, even if you're not even around the world, even if you're quarantining or in Cardiff or like in Wales, or you can't have access to Cardiff at the moment, it's really nice seeing people's memories and missing the place, and I think it's nice. It was really nice, and I thank you so much to everybody who watched it. So I had so much fun with this build. I got to experiment much more than fuel because of the colours, little different techniques and stuff. Also, before I carry on, big massive thank you to Tommy, co-owner of the moon, who sent me pictures of certain areas of moon while he's been refurbishing it, and to my strange request, and accepted my strange request so nicely of, can I have pictures and layout of the men's toilets please. So thank you so much, Tommy. Also, thank you so much to everybody who's been watching me build this on Twitch. It's been really fun interacting with you, hearing your stories, having a few of the Womanby St residents or people who've been to Womanby St here as well. A big massive shout out and thank you to Minty's Gig Guide. He streams on Twitch as Minty's Game Guide, and he's been helping me a lot. Sent some pictures over as well, was in chat telling like some where some of the disabled toilets and stuff were, some bits where I didn't know. So he does a lot to promote a lot of, not Welsh language, just Welsh language bands, but Welsh bands. Works with like Horizons Cymru, does a gig guide to Cardiff, and promotes small music venues which are really important for places like this. So you know, thank you so much for being in the stream, and thank you everybody who's watched the stream. And I build these live on Twitch every Sunday, so this is just like I like doing a little complete to the tour. So this is the moon. If the bouncer let me in. So this is in Minecraft Bedrock, so I do have some limitations. I have limitations as in fuel is there, bootlegger's there, so I didn't have as much space, but I think it worked quite well. So as you enter the moon in Cardiff on Womanby St, you have fairy lights running vertically across here, but the lanterns were a bit too busy for all of it to be covered here. You have various band posters and stuff, but a lot of these images will be repeating because, like I said, Minecraft Bedrock. I am aware in Minecraft Java, I believe, if you're on PC, you can load up images, but unfortunately I don't have that capacity just yet. As you walk into the moon, there's also a little quote here that says, "Blessed be the beat makers." It's stunning. It's all like all artsy fartsy. There's also bunting all over the place, but obviously I couldn't quite get that in Minecraft. These are some outdoor tables and chairs that have just been installed here like temporarily. It just kind of fills up the space a little bit more as well. This is the main stage, and this is like a little like cupboard with like amps. You have your like band gear, wires, all that sort of stuff. The main stage where like bands play, and when the bands play, these go off. I should have done gates, but they didn't look as good. Like I said, I have some limitations, so not everything will be exact to real life, but I've managed to get them trying to get them as close as possible as I could. But you know, it's all good. There used to be like a piano here. It was in tatters, and you can see the strings and stuff, but it was so much fun. It was I loved it. It was part of it. It was part of the character. There used to be like an old gaming system here, old like snares and the chairs here, but that was years ago. I've been known Moon for a fair few years now. This is the little DJ desk here, and as you go down, and I'm not sure what this is, but a lot of people sit on it. There's a little storage here in real life. This is a disabled ramp in real life, but obviously in Minecraft I couldn't get quite the angle right. There's also like a wooden shelf, and there's some stools here that run across here, but like I said before, obviously it just looked a bit too bulky, and there's like little lights that run all across these wooden beams, but it didn't quite work right. I'm quite happy with the lighting. The phone's recording it a bit lighter than what it is in the game. In the game it's a bit darker, but I quite like it. There's a little bench here. You have the disabled toilet. It's not as big as I'd like it to be. Oh, let me go in. But you have fuel cellar here and bootlegger there, and then the main part of Moon, so I was a bit restricted to what it was. It's like a little air conditioning thing covered in like band posters and stuff. This is another jukebox, a little booth. Then you got the main bar here. There's like a cool little Rick and Morty quote here about green ships. I might try and get on there, but I'm not sure if I can. Main bar. This is where the beer comes from, the ever-flowing beer. Some spirit bottles and stuff. And I was going to put fridges like the previous build in fuel, but it didn't quite work. Kind of like the black countertop on here to break up from the colours, even though I loved having the colours because it just brings a bit of vibrancy to it. We go down here to the cellar. This is where I've had quite a bit more creativity with, because I didn't know what the cellar and the office looked like. So I just created like a little office, some like where possibly invoices and stuff might be kept. A desk to count up, cashing up at the end of the night. A little safe for obviously the cash. These are some like barrels, kegs. These are meant to be like bottles. Just to give the idea of like a working cellar. Sorry, close the door. Then when you go here, so like I said, a lot of these images can be repeating, but unfortunately this is Minecraft Java. Fire exit, and there's a toilet sign. It's written and painted on the wall usually, and like a red arrow, big red arrow pointing down. But I think that's the best I could get it, and I'm quite happy with it. Here are the ladies' toilets. So unfortunately here as well, the ceiling isn't wooden. That's the green room with fuel. So like I said, I had a few more limitations, but it was really fun doing it. It's a little mirror, some toilet. The ladies' toilets have all sinks included in the areas, and it's pretty much the same for all of them. I thought the mirrors went vertically, but unfortunately they don't. They go across. They do have like a little shelf underneath it, but similarly to how the main room is, it just took too much room and looked a bit bulky. Maybe once I get Minecraft and a PC, I might try and rebuild it with I can do a bit better. The men's toilet. These are urinals, which does look a bit strange. I've done similar to what I did with fuel, but on the floor they did look a bit more like benches. But I'm quite happy with how it's turned out. And the cubicles, and then we have the sink. So yeah, and a lot of these images are repeating, but I think it doesn't really matter. You kind of get the gist of it, and you know, it's just a memory and stuff. There is chairs and stuff they put out here sometimes for like talks, like Horizons Wales. They do a lot of Horizons Wales, a lot of creative stuff, a lot of like promoting women in the music industry and how to get into the music industry and excel in it. And places like this is just really important because it's not just a nightclub or just a music venue. It's a lot where a lot of Welsh music things, bands get started, or little bands get started, nights out. It's a whole community, and I'm really grateful for the chance to be able to do this digitally and share and create like so many memories and memories that people have come up with. So yeah, I really had fun building, especially the moon with all the colours and stuff, and just the street in general. Especially during these dark times as they are. So yeah, yeah, I'm really happy with how it's turned out. There's some things I think I could tweak, but I'm happy with it at the moment. I might tweak it in the future, but I'll do that on stream, or I'll let you guys know. So yeah, it's really important to keep little venues like this up. So hopefully the next one will be club, or Welsh club, Clwb for Bach, the I think the most a well-known one in Cardiff, and it's been there for about a good 30 years, so hopefully that'll be the next completed building. There's still a few buildings to build, as you can see, but you know, it's important to keep these places going, and hopefully I'll be able to see you guys on the street of Womanby and have a drink with you all soon. Or even if you don't, I think I'm doing a special live stream on St David's Day where we can digitally come and drink on Womanby Street. So, you know, we'll see when that happens. But hopefully I'll either see you. Thank you for watching as well. Sorry, I should have said. Thank you for watching. It's been really fun building this. I might go back to doing a Welsh medieval village with like more knowledge of different techniques and, you know, textures and stuff. So yeah, it was really fun building this. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the feedback, everything. I hope you guys stay safe. Hopefully I shall see you on Womanby Street and gigs when it's safe to go back, or digitally over on Twitch while I build this. I will put links to the moon itself and Minty's gig guide down in the description box. So yeah, hopefully you guys keep safe. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys soon, hopefully with club or either more updates on the build in general. Thank you, stay safe.